Hi viewers, you are welcome to Younger Life channel. It's me, your presenter Chinedu. Yes, we are visiting Enugu-Onitsha expressway. That is in between Awka and some stretch down to Okozo Isis. We want to know the situation of that road, whether there is any significant progress on the construction. Not quite long ago, the Minister of Works, Dave Umahi, visited this particular road. It's among the road he visited when he came to Southeast on inspection tour. Yes, and he made some statement and some observation concerning this construction work going on there on the road. The work is being handled by RCC. Yes, they are the contractors handling this portion of the road. I think the road is divided into some parts with Niger Cats and some with RCC. So, but during that visit, the minister made mention of using concrete as to pave the road. Yes, he said it. And as it is now, I was reliably informed that the minister and the contractors handling the road is having serious issue concerning the construction work that is going on there. As the minister have already told them to use concrete pavement. So but last time we visited, we weren't so sure, and I said it in the video, whether they are going to use concrete or asphalt. But the way it is, I don't need to be told that this kind of technology will be with asphalt. So, but today we have confirmed it that they are using asphalt on the road. So far done. And this has brought problem between them and the Minister of Works, as I was told. So, but we are here on ground to confirm the situation of the road, the condition of the road, and the type of construction that is going on. Yes, I must tell you that there was a promise that the contractor is going to deliver this road before Christmas, just about 2 months time to come. They promised to deliver this road from Awka, that flyover, but to some reasonable distance after that Umogbo market. That was the promise, and the work is going on as expected, except this issue that came up that they are trying to sort it out. Anyway, but if you ask me to be sincere, it should be about renegotiating, because the initial plan has been the asphalt. So that if you say that they will change the technology, it means that there should be a renegotiation again, if you ask me. Because we always try to say the truth and the facts about issues concerning viewers. So that is the fact. I don't know if they have renegotiated, because the technology is going to change from asphalt to cement. And if you ask me, I don't know which one is more expensive or they are the same. So, but even if they are the same or concrete is less expensive, they need to get themselves equipped before doing anything. So, but I don't really know the actual issue and how they are about sorting it out. So you can see some vehicles are being trapped here because that place is too wet. Yes, it's wet, it rained, so everywhere is wet. So, but from the look of things, well, I've not seen much of their equipment on ground. Yes, I've not seen much of the equipment on ground. This collaborated the information that we had that they are having issues with the Ministry of Works. Yes, because unlike before, you will see the equipment, their machines, lined up. But let's still go up to see if they are working somewhere or and see the situation of the upside of this road. Then we will come back and have a detailed look of the system they are using to tar this road. We notice that it's asphalt, and that is the bone of contention now. So yes, we are still watching, and you can see that much of the equipments are not on ground again. Unlike before, when you come, you will see the equipment, plenty of them will be lined up. So it seems that true that they are having issues with the government. So, but let's see how it goes. Let's move up, and we'll stay come down to have a closer look at the construction work that is going on. Thank you. So this is RCC Yard. That yard by the right there. That is where they operate from. So, but we are still moving up to see the condition of the road. At a point, we are going to turn back to have a closer look. Thank you. So we are still moving up. We are moving on the good side of the expressway, and it is very, very smooth, and a nice movement on this road. But if you ask me, you see this road done by an RCC. It's not bad. The road is very smooth and well, constructed. The asphalt system, I don't know if the ones that they are going to bring now is adulterated according to the Minister of Works, that they don't used to bring a good one, is only adulterated ones. So, but this road has been done some few years ago. This one that we are applying upon now. So probably, I don't know if they have any special bitumen that they use in construction. But if you ask me, this one is very neat and sound road. Yes. But the minister remains the minister. He can, dish out directives and instructions to people working under him, so that he will get the best, effective and maximize the use of the resources allocated to them by the government. Yes. So that is it. So you can see the other side of the road, the condition, is being scraped. It has been scraped. They are scraping it, going down. But for now, seems like nothing is happening there, as you can see. So, but we want to be sure of the situation, so that we don't give, wrong reports about the situation. So we are still moving down, but we are not moving down to Onitsha. Somewhere there, we are going to turn to come back and have a critical look at the situation. Yes, thank you. Well, we have decided to divert to the other side of the expressway, the side that is under construction. So we've diverted, and we want to use it a bit to know the actual situation. Though the work is coming up towards this side, the scraping and the reconstruction is coming up. So, but until the issue is being sorted out, I don't know. So, but ours is to give you any updates concerning the construction situation of our roads and other things that we brought to you in this channel. So we are giving you up-to-date information of situations, of which you can also call it situation reports of Enugu-Onitsha expressway construction. Yes, something came to mind, when using a road that is not too good like this. Even if you are applying on a smooth road, there are some trend of things that usually happen these days along Onitsha-Owerri Express Road and this Onitsha-Enugu Expressway. there is this trend of events, road users, have to watch it. Then it was reported in the Punch newspaper just some few days ago that a resident and a spare part dealer named Chinedu Uzo. Yes, he had an encounter with some men, and he said it and he made it known to Punch newspaper, and it was published among so many other incidents. But this one came out live just a few days ago in the Punch newspaper. So he said that last week I was driving from Sabah, and as I descended the Onitsha head bridge along Enugu-Onitsha expressway and heading towards my residence in Afoigwe, Gidi area at about 8 p.m. As at about 8 p.m., meaning that this man was moving in the night. Yes, usually night movement is being discouraged a lot. Yeah. So, but let me inform you that we have turned going back to the site so that we can have a closer look at what we have on ground there. We have a closer look at the construction. Like I told you, we noticed that the construction is asphalt, that it is not the concrete pavement according to the directive of the minister. So we are going there to have a closer look. So, but I was telling you a story concerning about one Chinedu Uzo that was attacked. So he said that a shuttle bus suddenly double crossed me, and two men came down and ordered me into their vehicle, while one drove my car, a Lexus 350, behind. Then he continued. Inside their shuttle bus, I met about 6 of them, heavily armed. They took my phone and my ATM card and asked me how much was my daily limit transfer. I told them. And they collected my PIN and drove into petrol filling station. Yes, according to Chinedu Uzo, this is what they did to him. And this thing happened around 8 p.m. as he was driving home to his place at Ogidi. Yes, so let me just finish up the story. While I was with some of them who pointed guns at me, 2 of their members went and used my ATM to dispense cash from the POS of the petrol stations. So they dragged me to about 3 petrol filling stations, and at the end of the day, they removed 3 million naira from my account that night before they released me. This is an encounter that this man had with some armed men. Yes. So, but we are still moving along Onitsha, Awka, Enugu expressway. So we are moving down to the actual construction site so we can have a closer look of what they are doing there. Thank you. Yes, by my left is Umuobu building materials market, a very big market that you can buy every building materials that you need. So, but that is where we are coming to visit. We are going to, have a turn. From there, we will move directly on top of the, construction part of this road. So we can have a closer look and a critical look of what is the issue with the road. Thank you. So yes, gentlemen, yes, we are almost at the starting point of this construction. Yes, that is the down flyover of Amobia, and you can see the road itself. So, but we are going to move along and have a closer look at the road at a stopping point. That is what exactly we are going to do. Thank you. Well, you can see that this place is totally blocked, that you cannot move further from here. So this is the situation, and we are looking around and on the construction work that has been done so far. So we are having an update assessment of the situation right now. So actually the site somehow has been abandoned somehow, but we are yet to be very sure of the situation. But just like I said, the information is that they are having issues with the Ministry of Works. You can see that the road is asphalt, yes, They have laid the first asphalt. Probably there should be a second and the third one after the stone base. They've laid the first asphalt, and this is the bone of contention. This is where the issue is. So, but any further information, we are going to update you guys concerning the construction work here. But by and large, they are supposed to at least complete this part of the road so that vehicles will stop following under flyover Amobia. Because following under flyover Amobia is a big issue, and it constitutes traffic gridlock sometimes. So, and very soon during Christmas period is going to be a big issue. So it's better for them to even rush and conclude this part so that vehicle can follow this normal traffic down here, and however somewhere up they will re-enter the one lane to continue their movement. So by all costs, they should try as much as possible to complete this part up towards that building material side, so that vehicle can have normal movement at this flyover here. This flyover needs normal movement so that people can enjoy the movement on this flyover. Okay, so the abnormal movement of flowing under flyover will now be stopped. Well, ours is to update you guys. Yours is to watch and like the video. We need to hear your comments about this video, and please don't forget to share our videos. Share our videos to other social media platforms. Thank you.